Hello, my name is Eric with H&H Exteriors. I'm here at the second part of the roof, the garage detached structure of Miss Elvia Quiores, 5250 South Ridgeway. This is her garage now. So we're going to attempt to repair this facet. There's damages on each facet, as I've seen. Probably missed damages. You guys paid for 9 shingles. There's more than 9 damaged on this roof. Here is one that's damaged. Obviously, this is where it starts. Probably it's the area where we're gonna take the shingle out. This one's already loose. This roof is so old. It's man. Here we go. Now. Again, these nails are hard to take off. Old. They're hard to take off. Wow. This one, tough one. Jesus. I think that's about it. No, one more. There we go. Off with the old. Give me the new shingle over there, please. Yep. New shingle. Thank you. New shingle here. Putting it on for the repair. There we go. That one's go in. These nails are so old, man. just trying to fix that shingle. Look at this. Again, same thing as the house roof. It's the same exact shingle. I just need to repair in the garage. It's damaging and it's cracking everything. Just doing one repair is going to cause a domino effect. Please take your time to review this video on this facet. There's also damage on each facet. One here too as well. Right there. Seen another damage on this side. Somewhere right here. Right here. See this one? Crease there. Seen another damage right here as well. Each facet has damage on the garage. Each facet on the house as well. Also that back porch area over there where the skylight is. Please take your time to review this video. Asking for a full roof replacement of house and garage. Thank you.